You're going through hell. That is the reason why you should listen to Mo Fine Several Lines. It's story time. I have a beautiful story narrated by a friend to share it to you so that it gets you inspired and gets you motivated. Make sure you're relaxed, make sure you're staying tuned, make sure you're fine and ready for this several lines. Let's begin if you're ready. Sometimes it only takes a few minutes to ruin something you've built for years. Mine took just 2 foolish, painful minutes that cost me everything I held dear. I was married to a good man for 8 beautiful years. We were not perfect, but we were happy. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We had 3 beautiful children who were the center of our world. My husband was a provider, a protector, and a lion with fire in his eyes. In every room he entered, he commanded respect. He was my king, and I was proud to be his queen. He never left me or our children lack anything. But then came that night, the night the devil handed me the same apple he once gave Eve. It was around 1 a.m. I had just woken from a bad dream and was sitting beside my sleeping husband when his alarm rang. Tit, 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 tit. I reached for his phone to turn it off, and that's when the voice came. Why don't you check his WhatsApp? What if he's lying? What if he's hiding something? I wanted to ignore, but curiosity can be dangerous. I gave in. I opened his WhatsApp, and there it was. Boom! A chat. Flatty words. Oh my God. A woman's name I didn't even recognize. Oof. My heart broke instantly. Bah. Should I confront him? Should I run away with my kids? Should I cheat? Should I cheat back to make him feel the same pain? By morning, I couldn't even look into his eyes. My anger grew, pride took over. I made this worse